Hi, welcome to Project Jumper. Let's take a look at the game that you'll be developing over the next handful of lessons. Have you ever seen or played the original Super Mario Bros. Games? Or what about Sonic the Hedgehog games? Or Rayman Legends? Ori and the Blind Forest? Or Hollow Knight? Well, all of these are examples of a type of game called platform games. They were one of the earliest video games to hit the market and are still being created and played today. The gameplay usually involves a character that navigates through a level, jumping onto different platforms, collecting items, fighting opponents, and maybe developing a variety of skills. In this project, you are going to create your very own platform game called Jumper. The final game will look something like this. Its development will include topics like sprite properties and animations, groups and tiles, booleans and if-else statements, for loops, and user interfaces. Throughout the project lessons, we will be guiding you through the 4 stages of the design process so that you can successfully apply your computational thinking skills, like decomposing the larger tasks into smaller tasks, and using patterns and pseudocode to plan for the algorithm development. Awesome! Let's get to it.